Have you ever stopped to consider why boobs are so fascinating to humans? Welcome to the first chapter of our exploration into the wonderful world of boobs. From an anthropological and evolutionary standpoint, the human fascination with breasts is more than just skin deep. It's a tale as old as time itself, woven into the very fabric of our biological makeup. Let's start with a fascinating fact. Humans are the only mammalian species that have permanently enlarged breasts, that's right. In most mammals, the breasts enlarge only during pregnancy and nursing. But in humans, they stay enlarged from puberty onwards, regardless of pregnancy. This unique characteristic has sparked quite a bit of scientific curiosity. So why did this trait evolve? Some anthropologists suggest that permanently enlarged breasts could have functioned as a sort of honest signal of fertility and reproductive potential. This is because their development is linked to hormonal changes that occur during puberty, signaling that a female is capable of reproduction. But that's not the only theory. Some scientists propose that the shape and size of breasts could have played a role in sexual attraction and mate selection. In the grand scheme of evolution, characteristics that increase the chances of attracting a mate and reproducing often get passed down through generations. So over time, the preference for enlarged breasts could have become ingrained in our species. Now keep in mind, these theories aren't mutually exclusive. It's likely that a combination of factors contributed to the evolution of permanent breast enlargement in humans. And it's not just about size or shape. The physical sensitivity of breasts also plays a role in human sexuality. For many women, breast stimulation can enhance sexual arousal, adding another layer to the complex tapestry of human sexuality and reproduction. Clearly, our fascination with boobs is deeply rooted in our biology and evolution. So the next time you find yourself captivated by a pair of breasts, remember, it's not just superficial fascination. It's a complex interplay of evolutionary biology, anthropological history, and individual preference. And that's just the beginning of our journey into understanding the wonders of boobs. But did you know that boobs are not just aesthetically pleasing? They also have numerous health benefits. Let's start with one of the most well-known benefits: breastfeeding. It's a natural process that provides infants with vital nutrients and antibodies. These antibodies are the baby's first line of defense against many diseases and infections. But the benefits of breastfeeding go beyond just nutrition. It also plays a significant role in mother-infant bonding. The skin-to-skin contact during breastfeeding can help foster a strong emotional connection between mother and child, promoting a sense of security and love. Now, what about sexual health? It turns out boobs play a key role here too. Studies have shown that nipple stimulation can trigger the release of oxytocin, a hormone that promotes feelings of love, bonding, and well-being. It's often referred to as the cuddle hormone. Oxytocin doesn't just make us feel good, it also has a range of physical benefits, including reducing stress and promoting better sleep. But it doesn't stop there. Boobs can also have psychological benefits. For many people, their boobs are a key part of their body image and sexual identity. Feeling confident and comfortable in your own skin can contribute to overall mental well-being and sexual satisfaction. It's important to note that these benefits aren't limited to those who are breastfeeding or in sexual relationships. Simply having boobs, regardless of size or shape, can contribute to body confidence. Every person's relationship with their boobs is unique, and it's about embracing what makes you, you. It's clear then that boobs are more than just a body part. They're a source of nourishment, a hormone trigger, and a contributor to body confidence and mental well-being. They're part of what makes us human, and there's something to be celebrated. So boobs are not just beautiful, they also contribute significantly to our physical and mental health. Now let's delve a little deeper into the science of boobs. What makes them so unique? Let's start with anatomy. Breasts are a complex network of glandular tissue, fat cells, and connective tissue. The glandular tissue, also known as mammary glands, is divided into lobes and lobules, which produce milk during lactation. Fat cells contribute to the size and shape of the breast, while the connective tissue provides support and structure. But breasts are not just about anatomy, they also have crucial biological functions. The most well-known function is lactation, which provides newborns with vital nutrients and antibodies. During pregnancy, the mammary glands gear up for this job with hormonal changes triggering the production of milk. breasts also play a role in sexual signaling. From an evolutionary perspective, some scientists theorize that breasts evolved to their current shape and size to attract potential mates, signaling fertility and good health. So what determines the size and shape of breasts? Well, it's a mix of genetics and environmental factors. Studies have found that up to 80% of breast size is inherited. There are more than 100 genetic markers that influence breast size, and scientists are still discovering more. While genetics play a significant role, environmental factors like nutrition and lifestyle can also affect breast size and shape. But the science of boobs doesn't stop there. Ongoing scientific research is continually shedding new light on breasts. For example, scientists are exploring the relationship between breast density and breast cancer risk. They're also looking into how breastfeeding influences a woman's long-term health. In conclusion, the anatomy and biological functions of breasts, their genetic and environmental influences, and the ongoing research make them a fascinating subject of scientific study. They're not just aesthetically pleasing, they're also complex biological systems with critical roles in human reproduction, nutrition, and health. So, from an anatomical and biological perspective, boobs are truly a marvel of nature. So we've explored the fascinating world of boobs from multiple angles. We've delved into their wonders, marveling at their diversity and the joy they bring to life. We've examined their health benefits from breastfeeding to the detection of health anomalies, and we've delved into the science behind them, understanding their complex structure and their role in human evolution. But what's the takeaway here? It's simple. Boobs are integral, not just as a symbol of attractiveness or maternity, but as a key aspect of the human body. They're diverse, complex, and serve a multitude of functions that go beyond the surface. So let's appreciate them, let's respect them, let's understand that each pair, in all its uniqueness, tells a story of human biology and evolution. So the next time you catch yourself admiring a pair of boobs, remember, you're appreciating a truly fascinating aspect of human biology and evolution.